Good morning students. Today we will study our fifth chapter more about the keyboard. There are different types of keys on a keyboard. You have learnt about alphabet keys, number keys, enter keys and spacebar key. Now we will learn more keys of the keyboard. This is caps lock key, the shift keys, these are arrow keys, this is delete key, this is backspace key, these are control keys. So some keys on the keyboards are caps lock key, shift key, arrow keys, delete key, backspace key and control key. I will explain you one by one. Caps lock key. This key is used to type letters in capital. It has a small light on it. When this key is pressed, the caps lock light is switched on. That means the caps lock key is active. On pressing the caps lock key again, the caps lock light is switched off. That means the caps lock key is not active. Let's see an example how to use the caps lock key. Suppose caps lock key is not active and I want to type computer. Then all the letter will appear in lowercase or small letter. If the caps lock key is active, then all the letter will appear in capital letter. Shift key. This key is used along with the other keys. You can type capital letters and special characters like hash, @ using shift key. Let's see an example how to use shift key. If you want to type capital letter Q, then first you press the shift key and then keeping the shift key pressed, press Q key. Similarly, to type the character hash, first you press shift key and then keeping the shift key pressed, press hash key. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. These keys are also called the cursor movement keys. This is up arrow key, which is used to move the cursor up. This is down arrow key, which is used to move the cursor down. And this is left arrow key, which is used to move the cursor to the left. This is right arrow key, which is used to move the cursor to the right. Delete key. There are 2 delete keys on a keyboard. You can erase text with the help of these keys. Delete key erases the letter to the right of the cursor. Let's see an example how to use delete key. Suppose I have typed computer and I want to correct the spelling of the word computer. Now first you see the position of the cursor. The cursor is here. Now use the left arrow key and bring the cursor to the left side of the letter to be erased. Then press delete key. It erases the letter O and the spelling gets corrected. Backspace key. It is located just above the enter key. It erases the letter to the left of the cursor. Here also you can correct the spelling of computer by using the backspace key. Then use the left arrow key and bring the cursor to the right side of the letter to be erased. Then press backspace key. It erases the letter O and the spelling gets corrected. Control key. There are 2 control keys on a keyboard. This key is helpful in performing various keyboard shortcuts like cut, copy and paste, etc. Let's see how to use this keyboard shortcut. Holding down the control key and selecting different letter keys will give different shortcuts. Here are some common keyboard shortcuts that we can use. To select all the text, you can use Ctrl+A. To cut the text, you can use Ctrl+X. To copy something, you can use Ctrl+C. To bold the text, you can use Ctrl+B. To save your work, you can use Ctrl+S. To paste something, you can use Ctrl+V. So these are all keyboard shortcuts. I hope you have understood how to use different keys of the keyboard. Thank you, children.